Hello everyone, this is Harsh and welcome to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule Windows 10 automatic shutdown and startup. It's especially useful for those of you that want your system ready on time when you start your day, and it's also highly beneficial if you're someone that forgets to shut down at the end of the day. I will show you the best way to schedule shutdown and startup. So before going further, I have completed my 400 subscribers in my channel. So thank you to my 400 subscribers. You are the greatest. Your support has been fantastic as I make content that helps you to learn, find and use the technology that can hopefully improve your life. So thank you and keep loving. The best way to schedule shutdown every day is to use Task Scheduler. To open it, go to your search and type Task Scheduler. This is the task scheduler. Click on this. Over here the right you can see there is the actions tab and you need to select the create basic task. So click on this. So this is the window of the create basic task wizard. Type the name of your task and also type your description here. So I will give here the name shutdown. And in the description you can write any of your choice, let's say. And now after adding these details, click on the next option and it will ask you when you want the task to start. So there are options like daily, weekly, monthly. So we need daily to run the task, so select as this daily option and click on the next option. And here you can see it is asking for your date and time. So we have to select here the current day and select the time for each day. So today 6th of July, so date is right, and you can also set your time. So let's, in my case I will select like 7 p.m. it will be 19. So this is, I have set the option 7 p.m. If you want the task to run every day, then recur every one day. So you can set it as default, and after this you can select the next option. Make sure that the start a program is selected. Now click on the next option, and the next wizard you can see there is a program script type. Here we need to type shutdown.exe. And by filling this, click on the next option. And now on the final step you can see this is the summary board, and the summary screen will verify that all the information is correct. Click on the finish option. So we have set it the name shutdown, and this is my description that I have written. This is the action. So click on this finish action, and now your computer will now shut down each day at the time you select it. So if you want to edit or delete this task, then click on task scheduler library, you can see, and here in the right find it in the list. So, and you can see this is the shutdown ready at 19 every day. I have created this. Right click on this option. You can also delete it, and also to edit this click on the properties and make change. So you can see I have come here, and now you can edit all your actions and times. So thanks for watching. If this video is useful for you, give it thumbs up, share with others and subscribe to my channel for the awesome tech content like this.